Hey there, Tim and Air Toolman back at you. So in today's video, I wanted to show you this diamond drill bit from Spyder. This is a diamond edge drill bit that we picked up from Lowe's. I think you can get them on Amazon and a few other places like this. But we drilled a hole in a granite countertop, which is pretty scary by itself, for installing a reverse osmosis water.
You think it's good?
If you like what you see, appreciate if you give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Every little bit helps the channel.
Holding it from underneath and it's okay. So I think it's good where it's got. You want to climb under here? My second set of eyes.
Let me have a look-see. Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
It's 6 inches away from the drain. Think it's good?
Yeah. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate you going out on there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live.
Well, because when you stick it down, there's no, this comes off. You know, there's no paper there.
I can cut around it.
Hold on.
You just want
I like to watch Super Bowl and Tui.
What?
Super Bowl is what on which.
I think it's ESPN, isn't it?
Fox.
Fox!
So it says I can watch it here. So the only question is that sometimes these apps I don't get the commercials.
Okay.
You got a Peacock.
Do you have to, like, wet?
It's, one guy said
I think she's going to Peacock, so you gotta pay
it helps.
Peacock.
Really?
Yeah.
I get Peacock, so my Amex credit card.
Come down a little bit, you're good. Walk it a little bit.
Yeah. Nope. So wipe that down. No, I mean get the it says.
Get the stuff out of it.
Yeah.
Probably take that paper off now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna try to get it out of the way and keep it wet. You know? It's a little warm.
You want to put some more water on it?
Yeah. I don't want to wash that stuff down the drain. Give me another paper, another thing. Just get it wet. I don't want to worry about my hand. I just use that one for water.
Put something underneath under the base of it so when it actually goes through.
you go. Through.
Do we crack it?
Oh, well, look like it.
Right now, I'd like you to know that was one of the most pucker factor high things I've done in a while.
You.
Matt.
Well, thank you.
If you're not pushing yourself, you're not trying.
I knew you were going to say something like that. All right, all right. And I never knew so many men would be so scared of one hole.
No, but I meant. I'm still shaky.
I'm going to label this one, how to cut a hole. How much pucker factor can you have with cutting a hole in a countertop?
Why
We're
did you,
having too much fun.
why did you make Mikey do it?
He was like, yeah, go ahead and cut this, you know. I'll be there for you, brother. Might be running for the door there for you. Yeah, you can still see some. All right. I'll let you guys figure out how to put that in.
He's done. He's done.
I'd like you to know that's like, what, $50 bit?
Yeah, it's 40.
42, 43.
I really appreciate you sticking around to this part of the video. This is after we actually got the reverse osmosis water system installed in the kitchen sink. This is an open concept house, and I think it turned out pretty well. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. And this is Timothy or Toolman back at you.
I'll be back.